Boyfriend does my nails Valentine's Day edition. Opry sent us their new Valentine's Day palette in milk chocolate. So stunning. Can we please take a moment for this packaging? I'm obsessed. It's giving chocolate covered strawberries. Obligatory coffee cheers because it was like 10 o'clock at night. Guys, Dakota's gotten so good at applying my Gel X extensions. Literally no air bubbles to be seen. The kit came with a nail file, this cute little buffer, and top coat and base coat. This is Dakota's first time using a gel polish palette, and the formula is so dreamy. The colors are super opaque and they were really easy to work with. I'm a glitter girly and I loved this shade so much. Dakota wanted to choose a design today, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this pink shade with the brown. It looks so good. Also, he completely freestyled this heart and didn't mess up once. This is literally his first try and it came out so gorgeous. Then he went in with the top coat and this is the final look. What do you guys think? Look at these cute little candy hearts. Happy Valentine's Day, babe.